In this episode, I'm going to solve this puzzle, metric units. The goal of this exercise is to add two lengths with given metric units. To calculate it properly, you first need to convert them to the same unit. Present the result using the smaller unit. So, for instance, 4 centimeters plus 2 decimeters must convert 2 decimeters to 2 centimeters. If 4 centimeters plus 20 centimeters, then the result will become 24 centimeters. If you like to challenge yourself a little more, try to limit the number of ifs and switches as much as possible in your code. I'm not going to do C#, I'm going to do Python. And the first line, which codingame has provided me, is basically the expression to calculate, and for the output is basically the value and unit. So the value is it should be a sum of two given values after units conversion to the smaller one, and for the unit it should be the smaller unit of the two parameters. The constraints is value is the real number. If 0 less than equal to value, which is less than equal to 1000, then with precision is less than equal to 0.00001. For unit can be one of the following: which is micrometer, millimeters, where 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 micrometer, centimeters, where 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, decimeters, where 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters, meters is where 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters, and lastly kilometers, where 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So this is the example for input and output. So basically 1 meter plus 1 centimeter is equals to 101 centimeters. There are only 9 test cases. So the first one is simple expression. The second one is same units. The third one is kilometers to decimeters. The fourth one is kilometers to millimeters. The fifth one is meters to centimeters. The sixth one is meters to millimeters. The seventh one is centimeters to millimeters. The eighth one is decimeters to micrometers. And lastly, the ninth one is millimeters to micrometers. So let's solve it.